The P0019 code indicates a mismatch between the crankshaft and camshaft positions on bank 2, typically the passenger side in V configurations, specifically for sensor B, which is often the exhaust camshaft sensor. This mismatch is detected by the engine's powertrain control module, which monitors these positions to ensure precise valve timing for optimal engine performance. When the camshaft position lags or leads the crankshaft by more than a specified threshold, such as 5 to 10 degrees, the P0019 code is triggered. This illuminates the check engine light and can lead to rough idling or reduced engine power. Several issues can trigger the P0019 code. The most common cause is timing chain or belt stretch and slippage. Timing chain or belt problems occur frequently in high-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles, where the chain stretches or slips, disrupting the correlation between crankshaft and camshaft positions. A faulty variable valve timing solenoid can also cause P0019. This happens when oil pressure issues or electrical failures prevent the solenoid from properly phasing the camshaft. Sensor malfunctions are another cause, where magnetic sensors get damaged by heat, contaminated oil, or faulty wiring, leading to inaccurate position readings. Less commonly, powertrain control module software glitches or voltage irregularities can trigger the P0019 code. Start diagnostics by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P019 code. Next, check for related codes such as P0116 for Bank 1 Sensor A. Visually inspect the wiring and connectors to the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors for any damage. Use an oscilloscope to examine sensor waveforms for any irregularities. After initial checks, clear the code and perform a test drive. If the code returns, proceed to more in-depth diagnostics. Basic fixes for P0019 start with the fundamentals. First, check that your engine oil is at the correct level and has the right viscosity. Low or dirty oil can interfere with the variable valve timing solenoid. If the oil is low or contaminated, replace it with the manufacturer's recommended type. This simple step can often resolve VVT solenoid issues without further repairs. Next, inspect the wiring and connections to the camshaft and crankshaft sensors. Look for damaged or loose connections that could cause signal issues. Repair any damaged wires or secure loose connections. In many cases, these basic maintenance steps of changing the oil and ensuring good electrical connections will clear the P019 code. When basic fixes fail to resolve the P0019 code, intermediate repairs focus on the VVT solenoid and engine control module. A faulty variable valve timing solenoid on bank 2 can prevent proper camshaft phasing, causing the correlation error. Replace the solenoid if it's stuck or malfunctioning. If solenoid replacement doesn't fix the issue, the engine control module may need attention. Reprogram the ECM to address sensor correlation problems. In rare cases, full ECM replacement may be necessary. Always ensure the ECM runs the latest software version, as manufacturers release updates to fix timing issues. If the P019 code persists, especially in high-mileage vehicles, the timing chain or belt may be stretched or worn. This requires a more involved repair, including removing engine components to access and replace the timing chain or belt. It's crucial to ensure the timing marks are correctly aligned during reassembly to prevent further engine damage. This job is best left to experienced mechanics. Regular maintenance is key to preventing P0019. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes and timing belt chain inspections every 60,000 miles. Use high-quality oil and filters to maintain proper engine lubrication and prevent VVT solenoid issues. Synthetic oil and clean filters reduce wear on timing components. Regular timing belt chain inspections ensure components remain properly aligned and prevent correlation errors from slippage or wear. Consider using fuel additives to keep the fuel system clean and prevent carbon buildup, which can affect sensor performance and valve timing. As electric vehicles become more common, mechanical timing issues like P019 will decline. For internal combustion engines, improved sensors and predictive maintenance will help prevent these problems. IoT-enabled vehicles already use onboard sensors for real-time monitoring, alerting owners through apps before issues arise. By 2030, integrated sensors and AI diagnostics could automate repairs, significantly reducing costs.